Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make a smooth slow motion video in Premiere Pro. So guys, to make slow motion video, just go to Premiere Pro, and after selecting the clip, just select the clip where you need to make the slow motion effect. Just like for me it is from here. Now cut it in two pieces like this from here. Now just select this clip where you need to make the slow motion. I'm going to make it this part, only this part. Just select the clip where you need to make the slow motion, and after that here you can see speed duration. Click on it and you can make it how slow you want. Like I'm making it 30%, and after that here you can see frame sampling. Just click on it and click on optical flow and click on OK. Now just you will see this video like this. Now here you can see it is kinda sticking. To make it smooth, you can just do one thing. Just select it from here at start and click the I key, and at last just select the O key, and here you can see sequence in the top left. Just click on it, and here you can see render in and to out. Click on it, wait for it. And you will see the video is in smooth slow motion. So guys, that's how you can make slow motion video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.